morning and Jai Swaminarayan. Myself Satvik Sahoo. Today I am going to show how ratio and proportion are used in day-to-day life through cooking. And today I am going to make potato rice dumplings. Mom told me to cook for 4 people, but the ingredients weren't available to cook for 4 people. The ingredients available to cook was for only 2 people. What should I do? Yeah, here comes the use of ratio and proportion. So how it is used, I am going to tell. Ratio and proportion is a kind of fraction, and here I have to cook for 4 people, but the ingredients available for cooking is only for 2 people. So I have to find the ratio of 2 and 4. To find the ratio of 2 and 4, I have to find its simplest form, and 2 and 4's simplest form is 1 by 2, and it will be read as 1 to 2. Now I have to divide the whole recipe into one part, and whatever result I will get from it, I will have to multiply it with 2, and then the result I will get, it will be the exact ingredients or quantities of ingredients needed to cook for 4 people. I have prepared the potato rice balls already, as you can see. So the ingredients needed for preparing this potato rice balls is first raw rice. I took 1 cup raw rice and I converted 1 cup into gram. I converted this raw rice into gram. So 1 cup is equals to 128 gram. So 128 gram is divided with 1 is equals to 128 as it is. So 128 multiplied by 2 is equals to 512 gram. So I needed 512 gram of raw rice. I washed it 2 times in water, and then I added 1 potato, and I have to add 1 raw potato, not boiled potato, and I divided 1 with 1 is equals to 1 divided with 1 is equals to 1 as it is, and 1 multiplied by 2 is equals to 2. So instead of adding 1 raw potato, I added 2 raw potato. Then I added 2 chilies, 2 green chilies. 2 divided by 1 is equals to 2 as it is, and 2 2s are 4 is equal and 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. So I added 4 green chilies instead of 2 green chilies. Then I added 1 tablespoon of water, as you can see, and I converted 1 tablespoon into milliliter. So 1 tablespoon is equals to 15 milliliter, and 15 milliliter divided by 1 is equals to 15 milliliter as it is, and 15 multiplied by 2 is equals to 30 milliliter. So I needed 30 milliliter of water. I added it into the 2 raw rice, green chilies and raw potato, and I grinded it in the mixture and made a paste and kept it aside, and then I poured 2 glasses of water on a pan, or 2 glasses, you can say 2 cups, and I converted it into milliliter. So 2 cups is equals to 480 milliliter, and I rounded up 480 milliliter into 500 milliliter, and 500 milliliter divided by 1 is equals to 500 milliliter as it is, and 500 multiplied by 2 is equals to 1000 milliliter. That will be you can say 1 liter. I added it, and then I added 1 tablespoon of refined oil, and I converted tablespoon into milliliter. That will be 1 tablespoon is equals to 15 milliliter, and then 15 milliliter divided by 1 is equals to 15 milliliter as it is. Then 15 milliliter multiplied by 2 is equals to 30. I needed 30 milliliter of oil, and I added 30 milliliter of oil into it. Then I needed some cumin seeds. I added 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, but I converted 1 teaspoon into gram. Means I converted these cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds into gram. So 1 teaspoon is equals to 4.2 gram. So I rounded off 4.2 gram into 4 gram as it is, and I divided 1 with 4. 4 divided by 1 is equals to 4 gram as it is, and 4 multiplied by 2 is equals to 8 gram. So instead of adding 4 gram of cumin seeds, I added 8 grams of cumin seeds. And I added the paste I made before with the water I prepared, and I cooked it for a while as it became consistent and like a dough, and I put it aside. Then I made these balls out of it and I steamed it in a steamer. I again poured 2 glasses of water, that is, as I told before, 1000 milliliter, or you can say 1 liter of water. And after it was steamed, now I am going to make it more chatpata. It is ready for eating, but I am going to make it more chatpata. So I will be adding more spices. As you can see, I have put on the kadai on the flame now, and it is hot now. Now I am going to pour 2 tablespoons of refined oil. As you know, I have to convert a tablespoon into milliliter. So 1 tablespoon is equals to 15 milliliter. So 2 tablespoons is equals to 30 milliliter. So 30 divided by 1 is equals to 30 as it is, and 30 multiplied by 2 is equals to 60 milliliter. So I am going to add it. Now I am going to add mustard seeds, half teaspoon of mustard seeds. So I have to convert teaspoon into gram. So 1 teaspoon is equals to 4 gram. So half teaspoon, it is showing half teaspoon. So half teaspoon is equals to 2.5 gram. And 2.5 gram divided by 1 is equals to 2.5 gram as it is. And 2.5 gram multiplied by 2 is equals to 4.5 gram. So I am going to add. And now I am going to add curry leaves, 8 curry leaves. So 8 divided by 1 is equals to 8 as it is, and 8 multiplied by 2 is equals to 16. So I am going to add 16 curry leaves, as you can see. I am going to add dry red chilies. I have cutted it. I will add 1 teaspoon of dry red chilies, and teaspoon, I will convert teaspoon into gram, that is 1 teaspoon is equals to 4 gram, and 4 divided by 1 is equals to 4 gram as it is, and 4 multiplied by 2 is equals to 8 grams. So instead of adding 4 gram of dry red chilies, I am going to add 8 gram of dry red chilies. I am going to add 2 teaspoon of pav bhaji masala. Okay, so I have to convert teaspoon into gram. So 1 teaspoon is equals to 4 gram. So 2 teaspoon is equals to 8 grams. So 8 divided by 1 is equals to 8 as it is. So 8 multiplied by 2 is equals to 16 gram. So I am going to add. You can see it's ready, and now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of white sesame seeds, and I am going to convert tablespoon into milliliter, gram, that is 1 tablespoon is equals to 15 gram, and 15 divided by 1 is equals to 15 as it is, and 15 multiplied by 2 is equals to 13 grams. So I am going to add it. And now I am going to add 1 or 2 spoons of lemon juice, and now finally I am going to garnish it with 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves, and I am going to convert 1 tablespoon into gram, that is 1 tablespoon is equals to 15 gram, and 15 divided with 1 is equals to 15 gram as it is, and 15 multiplied by 2 is equals to 30 gram. It is totally ready for eating, and I had made it very delicious. So now friends, you saw how ratio and proportion helped me in making this food for 4 people with exact in quantities of ingredients. So I can have it one